Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a brow tutorial. This video is highly requested from a lot of you and I'm excited to be filming this today because I actually have not filmed a brow tutorial on my channel, which is really odd. As you can see, I did one of my brows already off camera. I actually chose this brow because it's my favorite brow actually out of the two. It's easier to work with than this one. I don't know if you guys have like a favorite brow, but I do. Okay, so first things first, the brush I'm using is by ANASTASIA. This is number 14, so it's like a duo brush. So what I like to do is I just like to brush it upwards first, and then once I get to the end of my brow, I just like to brush those hairs back to place, but I'm kind of like shaping them into the eyebrow shape I want. So as you guys can see, my eyebrow is round. It's not really this shape. Everyone kind of creates their own eyebrow shape, right? So I kind of just create this eyebrow shape myself. I like to take my Brow Wiz by ANASTASIA Beverly Hills, and this is in the shade dark brown. I like to fill in my brows first and map out like the shape that I'm gonna create with my DIPBROW pomade. I pretty much start in this area right here, and as you guys can like already tell that I'm kind of forming that arch. I don't have a lot of hair in this area, so what I like to do is I like to bring the Brow Wiz and connect to the end of my brow, and then I like to fill it in that area. If you feel like you're making any mistakes when doing your brows, just know that you can fix that with concealer. So every time that I work with the Brow Wiz or the DIPBROW pomade, I just like to go back in with my spoolie and make sure that that's well blended into my brows. So I like to start off with the Brow Wiz first because you can get very heavy-handed with the DIPBROW pomade and you can like get carried away, because trust me, I've learned that from personal experience. I like to be very light-handed when it comes to the beginning of the brow, and I start to create almost like a line. And then I like to flick the Brow Wiz into this area. Now taking my ANASTASIA DIPBROW pomade, I'm going to start defining my brow. I'm going to start filling in the brow a little bit more, and I'm going to start like defining my shape. In my opinion, I just feel like the DIPBROW pomade just gives me more of a cleaner brow. To clean up my brows today, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And the brush that I like to use to conceal my brows is the MORPHE M421 brush. And also, if you guys have little hairs that are growing in, concealer really helps to hide them. To blend out the concealer, I like to use the Y16 Morphe brush. To clean your brow on the top, you want to use your foundation again, because if you use your concealer, it is lighter than your foundation, and then you're going to create like a white line in this area. So I'm just going to use my MEHRON brush. Honestly, I don't know the number of this brush, but I will try to find out for you guys because this brush is so precise. I am actually going to apply some translucent powder just to keep them in place, just because I don't use any clear brow gel or anything. So yeah guys, this is basically how I do my brows. Not a lot of people are going to like the way I do my brows, and that's okay because everyone has their own style and their own like go-to brow routine. They are very thick and very dark, and that's the way I like my brows. I love my brows, and you always have to remember it's about what you like and not about what other people like. So you have to understand that, okay? It's about what you like. Okay guys, so I feel like highlighter is everyone's favorite part, so I thought let me do my highlighter on camera. And of course I'm using the Resli highlighter because this highlighter is very, 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 very good. This is actually my new favorite highlighting brush. This is the Morphe R31 brush. This brush right here is so, so nice. Okay guys, so that is basically it for today's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video and hit that bell button because then you'll get notified when I post a new video. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.